Platinum and silver, they are leading the move right now on the precious metals. As we mentioned on Tuesday's commodity report, buy on red days here. So when you are getting these cascading sell-offs to the downside, completely to be expected right at the end of September, profit taking. As you know, at the end of the quarter, once we hit next week, we're moving into a fresh quarter, the final quarter of the year, October, where you get fresh capital inflows. There's been back-to-back opportunities over the last 48 hours here to scale into positions, everything from copper to palladium to silver to platinum to gold. As you would imagine, we've entered all of these positions over this week, getting best possible price. Every single platinum trade that we have on right now has surged and currently in profit. We're built into multiple positions back down towards $900 per ounce or lower. And right now we have platinum breakout to $925 per ounce. It's been the same on silver. Silver's now surged 2% in the last 2 days here, broke all the way back down towards $22.30. We've been able to get a couple of positions on silver, well up on those trades. We've broken back out above $23 per ounce. Palladium has been the star here. We managed to enter at $1,220 per ounce with our clients. This market has now surged over 600 points, 3% gain in the last 48 hours here. And then finally gold. So gold, of course, we did get that massive opportunity this week. As we talked you through before, buying on red days. The best price we managed to get was $1,863 per ounce with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. As we stated before, one of the best opportunities you'll typically get is when you do get these cascading sell-offs to the downside. The markets will take the staircase up and the elevator down. So if you're ready, prep for that. You bank your profits at the highs. You then rotate on the sell shorts. You bank your dollar long, which is what we've done over this week. We've had over 600 points banked on the dollar. The whole of September has been a very risk-off month. We talked you through this right from the start of the month. Many of you that follow all of our reports, you've crushed it over September, benefiting on the cascading sell-offs to the downside on the metals. You stayed long the dollar, and now we're reaping the rewards massively off this. And yet again, we've been gifted this week with selling pressure on the metals where we can snipe it in and get much better prices. So if you've been patient, waiting in the wings here, ready to deploy capital, you are absolutely crushing it. So it's been multiple opportunities this week to do so. And what are we seeing right now? Friday, the very last day of the quarter. China on their public holidays. They will be on their public holidays going into next week as well. Now you're starting to see that buying pressure to the upside. I still like gold here. The lowest point, it dropped down to 1960. It's been perfect opportunities to add and get in positions. Your question might be, have you been stopped out of any positions on gold? Absolutely not. So we've been waiting and snipering in with all of our clients here. We talked you through it. Try and get best possible price. For us, that's been $1,863 US per ounce. Copper as well. Phenomenal move over the last couple of sessions. In fact, just this morning with our clients, we started to book some partial profits on our lowest entry that we got with copper over the last 48 hours. That's booked us over 125 points, which is quite a nice move for copper. It's over a 1% move that we've had just in the last couple of sessions when we're leading into China being on their 1 week public holidays. Then as we go into next week, you've also got non-farm payroll data on Friday. This is going to further provide massive opportunities. So again, we are at the end of the quarter, very last trading day of September. As you move into October, it's a fresh quarter, fresh capital inflows. I hope you benefited massively by the sniper entries that we've been able to do over the course of this week. Platinum, that ship has sailed right. Palladium, it's similar. The horse has bolted. Silver to a certain extent as well. Gold is still at levels that I do quite like here. As I mentioned, we're in at 1863, but I do still like the current prices. Obviously, again, aiming always to get best possible price. Again, this comes down to understanding the capital flows in the market, utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Alongside that, of course, understand and learn the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. Learn the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted, the right point in the cycle to buy, i.e. over the last 24 and 48 hours on a lot of the precious metals. Know the right time to bank, i.e. last week in the lead up to the FOMC statement, the typical pre-FOMC pump to the upside. If you understand the cycles, the narratives, you know when to bank, you know when to reload. This will help you massively with your portfolio. And again, comes back to the point, it's absolutely not a buy and hold market. You want to be banking at the tops of the cycle, reloading at the lows of the cycle. Take advantage of the regular capital flows that we see quarter to quarter here. Goldman Sachs have stated it best. It is the golden age of trading. It's not the golden age of investing anymore. It's the golden age of trading. You'll make a lot more by actively managing your portfolio. And then finally, marry this up with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.